so that we can see. The big thing is that you want to be careful that you don't have 3 pieces of the same fabric right next to each other. In fact, I'm going to sew this on here, and it's like that one, but I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to sew it on this other side, so it's far enough away from it. It's not, won't be showing. I mean, it won't be touching. And it doesn't matter that they're kind of together, since all these pieces go together, so it's okay. But you will probably notice, I have one big quilt that I made out of scraps, and I noticed one place where I got things too close together. It's like, whoops, I didn't pay enough attention there. And I doubt if anyone else in the whole world notices it, but I do every time I look at it, so. Because this fabric was cut in 12.5-inch squares, and I'm going to cut it, like I said, in 3. I'm going to trim these strips so that they're kind of a multiple of this. Okay. Whoops, these two. Oh, here's another strip to sew on. Let me see if I can